Right, the difference between molarity and molality is it's a very small difference. They both measure the concentration. But for molarity, you look at the volume of the solution and it must be in liters. If it's not in liters, you need to convert. If you calculate molality, then you need to look at the mass of the solvent. This is a small letter M, sorry. Mass of the solvent, and it has to be in kilograms. It can't be in grams. So both of them, you look at the number of moles of the solute. So for the solute, you look at the number of moles, not the mass, the number of moles. If you're given the mass, you need to convert it to the number of moles. Molarity, you measure it in a unit called molar, and we use a capital M for that. Molality, we measure in molal, and the symbol for it is a small letter M. Right, then we also looked at the dilution. If you have a solution like an acid with 0.5 molar, and you add to it, you have a 100 ml solution, you add to it another 100 milliliters of water, you are diluting it. So when you dilute it, it means your volume now changes from 100 milliliters to 200 milliliters because you added 100 milliliters of water. To calculate the new molarity of the solution, new solution that was formed after dilution, you need to make sure that you use this formula, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. We call this the dilution equation. Now, a very important rule is when you work with volume of solutions, you have to be in liters. So you need to convert these milliliters to liters. So 100 milliliters of this solution becomes 0.1 liters. And the new solution that's 200 milliliters will be 0.2 liters. You then substitute everything into this equation, the 0.5 over there, the 0.1 liters over there for volume 1. Molarity 2 is what you want to calculate, so that's your unknown, and volume 2 is 0.2 liters. So you have to use liters for volume. You then want to get molarity 2 on its own, so you divide by 0.2 on both sides, and when you calculate the answer, it will be 0.25 molar.